Let us introduce you to our smart valve positioners, the 300 series and the 700 series. It's the positioners for any application. Both 300 and 700 series have 4 advantages: reliability, accessibility, usability, and maintainability. Let's start with its reliability. Without unique isolation design, moisture, oil, and dust entering through the air supply will damage the positioner. For the 300 series, we have adopted a structure that separates air circuit and electrical circuit. This protects the electrical parts from being exposed to any moisture, oil, and dust. The 700 series is designed so that even the terminal block is isolated, protecting the electrical parts from moisture, oil, and dust entering while wiring operations are being done. Frictional wear from vibrations has been the cause of reliability decline. The 300 series is equipped with a non-contact rotary position sensor, providing a high vibration resistance. The 700 series provides even better vibration resistance by improving the bearing. Next, we'd like to talk about the accessibility of smart valve positioners. For the 300 series, various parameters are accessible via handheld communicator or host system. For the 700 series, various parameters are accessible via front display and buttons in explosive environment. This allows for quick adjustments during testing and in troubleshooting. Let's look into its usability. First, auto setup. The 300 series allows the users to operate external switches with the driver, which then automatically assesses the valve movements and makes optimal settings. On the other hand, the 700 series can be automatically set up by button operation. Second function characterizing its usability is travel cutoff. The user can set any input signal value as a threshold to trigger the valve to shut off, securing the control valve to be fully closed. Let's turn now to its maintainability. Valve diagnosis, combined with Azbil system, allows the users to detect any abnormalities in control valves, which makes systematic maintenance possible. It's compatible with other DCS and equipment management systems from another manufacturer. The 700 series not only inherits all the checking functions established in the 300 series, but also has even wider range of diagnostic abilities. It's equipped to detect any abnormalities or deterioration of supply air pressure, air circuit within the positioner, spring force and diaphragm of the actuator, gland packing, and cutoff. The 300 series, with reliability, accessibility, usability, and maintainability, is used in control valves of manufacturers worldwide. The 700 series, with even more advanced functions of the 4 features established in the 300 series, is suitable for a more demanding valve installation. Smart Valve Positioner, the 300 series and the 700 series. It's the positioners for any application.